Hello lovely people. In today's video I'm sharing with you how to make delicious and fluffy lemon birthday cake that you can make right in your house for your birthday. Without wasting time, let's get started. So I start by measuring soft flour, 2 and 1/3 cup of soft flour. I go in with 2 teaspoons of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Then I sieve everything very well. Make sure you sieve your flour before make use. So I go in with half teaspoon of salt and I mix everything together very well. At this point we are using lemon, so adding my lemon zest. So I'll be using like 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Now mix it with the flour and put it aside. Now I'm trying to make my lemon juice. At this point you don't need to use that bottled lemon juice. You need fresh lemon juice. So I'm squeezing my lemon to get my lemon juice. Here we are. So I'll sieve it and put it aside. So now in my mix bowl I add half cup of butter, 1.5 cup of sugar. Then I'll mix everything together so everything has come together very well. So now everything has come together. I'll be using 3 large eggs. Then I'm putting it inside one by one. So I finish with the egg. I go in with my vegetable oil. That's half cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then I mix everything together very well. This lemon cake have lemon flavor. It's very nice. So I start by pouring my flour inside. I add small flour. Then you'll be using 1 cup of fresh milk, room temperature. You add the flour, then you add the milk small till the time you finish, but make sure the flour go last. So I'll bring the side inside and mix it again. But don't mix your flour, don't over mix your butter. So now I'm transferring it in my baking pan. Then I'll put it inside the oven about 30 minutes. Or to the time the toothpick comes clean. Make sure you tap it 3 times on the board so that you avoid the bubbles inside. 30 minutes later, my cake is ready. Can you see that? And this cake is very fluffy, and the lemon aroma is everywhere. I hope you are going to try this cake for your birthday. So now I'm doing this cake for someone. So I do it like 3. So I'm trying to make some design with champagne. I just measure the champagne with the cake, then I can cut the place I can put the champagne. Trust me, it's not difficult to do it. It's very easy. I start by decorating my cake by covering my cake with my butter. Half of the butter is lemon butter. I will show you in my next video. Actually, everything you do on cake is decoration. So if you're in your house, you can do any design you want for your cake. The only deal is just make your cake right. I'm trying to smooth the cake, the body of the cake. I don't want the place I make the hole should be dry, so I'm trying to cover that place too with the butter. This place is design place, logolithic place, so I'm using it to do the body of my cake. And it looks so much nice. Guys, I'm done. I wash my champagne, then I'm putting it inside the hole before I'll start the final design. Can you see how it's looking nice already? Are you going to try this on your birthday? Try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. This cake is very easy to make and it's very sweet. So try it. You can make it. Just try it and you will make it. Here we are. The cake, the birthday cake, the lemon cake, the flavory cake is ready to enjoy. Thank you so much guys for watching up to this point. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.